Hey guys, I'm Siddhesh Vallachane and I work as an AI engineer at TruGen. Like lots of engineer, I get bored pretty quickly when I'm working on the same thing every day. But one thing fascinating is finance, like crypto, stock, market trends, and everything. That like something is continuously changing. There is something new to learn every moment. But there is some problem, like markets can be overwhelming sometimes. 1 minute someone says on the media like the market is going on to the moon, and next minute it's down to 10%. So I thought I could build an AI analyst that could look at the real market data, summarize what's happening, and explain why it matters and give me quick read without spending hours jumping web between the websites. Yeah. So that's why exactly TruGen came in. At TruGen, we build AI agent that can do much more than answer questions. We can connect to the APIs and interact with the tools, retrieve information, and make decisions on real world data. So I decided to build a stock analyzer agent. The idea was simple. I should be able to ask what's happening into the market and it will give me the update at the real moment. So let's dive in and see exactly how the things work. Yeah. So firstly, when you come on the TruGen portal, you can just go into the tool section and there you can just create your simple tool. So here I have created a tool named get alpha. Okay, so you can name anything. So I just mentioned the get alpha tool. I provided the you requested URL, like this is the URL API endpoint I will be using, that is alpha advantage. Okay, so you can get that API for the free. There are various open source. Anyways, so once that is done, you can just select it. And there is, if you want to store those data, you can just create another tool named store sheets, and then you can just pass the Google Sheets details. Yeah. So what will happen whenever you speak or whenever you ask the questions, the tools will get the trigger and they will give you the update about the particular market, right? And those market details will get stored into the Google Sheets. That's how everything should work. So now let's get into creating the agent. Okay. So this is the agent I'll be using. So right now, I have given it the name as stock analyzer. I have given the system prompts like you are the market research analyst and all those things. You should reply with the current price, daily price change, and everything. Yeah. So it will just to be sure I made the tone like it should be direct, concise, practical. And yeah, definitely I don't suggest like everyone should use this into day-to-day life because there may be chances of some failure. After all, it's an agent. There is nothing 100% reliable on the LLMs. Yeah. So now let's see how you can integrate the tool. Just come into the tool section and select those tools which you have created. Yeah. Now the tools are connected and now we are ready to test. Now let's see how it works. So for that, you need to pass some details like your name. Let's pass that, and your mail ID. So yeah, once this detail are filled, just continue and you can agent. And let's test it. So I should see the right transcriptions of whatever I'm asking and whatever the agent is replying. Now to be so let's ask about something related to Tesla price. Okay. So, hey, can you tell me about the Tesla price?
TSLA current price, $423.74. Daily change, up $7.86, about 1.9%. Quick read, the tape says Tesla is modestly higher on solid volume, indicating short-term buying pressure. Outlook, neutral. This analysis is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor.
Okay, so you can see the warning. It says like season just for information purpose and not a financial advice. That's what I was saying. Like, yeah. So let's see if the given data is correct or not. Like current price for the Tesla is $423.74 and the change is up by $7.86. So yeah, so current price is $423.74 and it is up by $7.86 as well. Now let's see and ask something else. Maybe we can just select something like, let's select an Apple shares. Okay. So the current Apple price is 315.20 and it is up by 8.89 like tech as well. Okay, so can you tell me for the Apple's price as well?
AAPL current price $315.20. Daily change up $8.89, about 2.9%. Quick read,
So
the tape
you can
that
see that
Apple
it is
is strongly on high volume, suggesting bullish momentum. Outlook bullish.
Okay.
This analysis is
Okay. Okay. So we can see the the price which she shared was 100%, right? And also she says that market is bullish. So that means the market is going upwards. That is the upward trend, and we can see the chart itself. It's going upward. Yeah. But yeah, definitely there is much more than just the candlestick patterns and all those things. But yeah, we can use the TruGen app and the API keys by any open source and just connect them and make your life simple instead of sitting in front of the camera screen and looking at the patterns continuously. Yeah, definitely it would help in long term, maybe in investment terms and all those things. But yeah, let's ask about that as well. Can you tell me which is better at the moment? Shall I invest in Tesla or Apple?
both stocks are up, but Apple's price is rising faster, about 3% versus Tesla's 2%, and on higher volume, which the tape says points to stronger short-term momentum. Tesla is still gaining, but the broader move is more pronounced for Apple. This analysis is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor.
Okay, so we can see like we are able to, differentiate and ask what is better and all those things. Everything is been possible. That's just because of TruGen and the TruGen's tool calling method, tool calling options, and using the APIs. And you can also use the MCP servers. You can just create a custom API MCP and just use that. Yeah. I hope this helps and fascinate you towards using the TruGen. See you.